If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for OnePlus 15, then let me quickly answer the question for you. So of course, ideally we want to get the original OnePlus charger. The maximum amount of watts that we can use on this phone is 120 if we use UFCS, which of course usually is accessible if you get to the OnePlus charger. You can also try to get, for example, an Oppo charger. Usually they do have UFCS as well. But ideally you want to get 120 watts to provide the fastest charging speed possible. Now, in addition to that, of course, we can get pretty much any other charger, and any charger most of the time works. So for example, if you want to get like a Samsung charger or Xiaomi charger, it works just fine as well. But you might not reach the fastest charging time. So this is why UFCS is important in this case, because most of the time they provide the fastest charging speeds. So, like I said, ideally you want to get a OnePlus original charger with 120 watts. If not, try to get any other brand that also provides UFCS and that uses the UFCS technology and has 120 watts. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you don't get UFCS charger, you can get PPS charger, and in this case we have 55 watts of maximum charging. For PD chargers we have 36 watts, and also 36 watts for QC chargers. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.